guys, so today is 3rd February 2026 and market opens in 7 minutes. So yeah, let me explain my bias to all. So in the 4 hour you can see that market is inside this bearish 4 hour gap and market has opened two bullish gaps, but market is in a buy model now. So you can see here market is in a sell model and here market is in a buy model, and the buy model hasn't completed yet. This is its initial point and the market needs to take this liquidity out of the marketplace to complete this buy model. So market can retrace lower to equilibrium, but I am leaning low-key bullish in the 4 hour, but I am ready to take shorts also. And in the 1 hour you can see that we have a huge bearish 1 hour gap also, which resembles with the 4 hour gap also, and this is the 4 hour and 1 hour intermediate term high, and we have one bullish gap here and one bullish gap here. So I want the market to trade into this bullish gap, took out the liquidity and then give me an inversion to the upside, targeting this high and the intermediate term high here. And on the 15 minute you can see that we have a London high at the top. So on the 1 hour these highs are London highs, and we have a 15-minute intermediate term high here and 15-minute intermediate term low here, and Asia lows, which are also the 1 hour intermediate term low and 15-minute intermediate term lows. So I want the market to sweep sell side first and then give me a long, or if the market inverses this gap, then I can take a continuation short also towards the 4 hour gap and the New York PM session low. Or if market took this also and didn't give me any entry, then I think eventually the market is going to retrace a bit or continue dumping lower. Or if the market took out the buy side first, which is the 4 hour intermediate term high, this one, and then it will be in a 4 hour bearish fair value gap, then either I can take shorts off from there or continuation longs towards this and these points, as we are inside this bearish 1 hour gap. So I will only take 1:1 in continuation longs. So yeah, this is pretty much my bias for today, and market opens in 2 minutes. So let's see what happens. I will see you all after I take a trade, or maybe not take a trade. So guys, off open market just dumped and I saw one setup, but it was not that nice because market already dumped around 250 points. So it was not a nice setup to take, because you have to take the setups that are aligned with the trend of the market to capitalize the movement of the trend of the market, to have big targets. Wait, I show you all. It opened around here and after that the market just dumped down. It didn't retrace into any of the 15-minute gaps and it made many 5-minute FAGs, but didn't retrace into the 5-minute gaps also. So my setup did not formed here. There was one setup that was formed around in this area. Yes, this was the gap which got inversed and then many people longed here. So why I didn't took this setup? Because we are not in a very nice structure. Market is just ripping down. So if the market is not making a nice structure and it is just ripping down, so if such setups form, you are likely to be get stop rated in such setups, because the market is not in a good structure. After this sweep, now if the market give me a long opportunity, then I would have been taken it, but market just ripped around 360 points. So longs are not that worthy in such market conditions. There were many 5-minute FVGs, but market never retraced in them and my setup never formed. So that's all for today, and until we meet again, be safe.